All right, so I wanted to give you an understanding that is true, but you know, it's on the optimistic side of true, and it's on the it's more of a happy person type of truth. So understand that being the angel that you are, being the grace that you are, being the elegance that you are, being the competence that you are, being the happiness that you are, it's always going to be better if you can do it while getting beaten up. Meaning, in turbulence, if you're still an angel, then you're an angel for sure, goddammit, and you're an elite. If in the middle of a fight, you're still happy, then you are happy, goddammit, and you're an elite. If in war, in the middle of a war, you're still competent, then you are competent, goddammit, and you're an elite. And that's what being elite is. Being elite within confusion. Do you see? Within confusion. Within the trouble, within the turmoil, within the turbulence. That's what being elite is. So understand that ego that you feel, that supremacy that you feel, that knowing that you are the supreme overlord, knowing that you are the king, knowing that you are the prince, knowing that you are the very best in whichever realm. It's true, but what life is doing to you is testing you for supremacy, because the supremacy comes in the moment of truth. If you can still have a plan after Mike Tyson punches you in the mouth, then you have a plan, god damn it. And that's the essence of what I'm saying to you today. Life is beating you up, and that's what it's supposed to do, because once you are okay with being beaten up and you can take a blow gracefully and continue, this is the essence of life. 1 week ago, I emceed for the first time at Eagles View Academy, which is a school, and they were doing an award show. So, guys, I'm not talking to myself, I'm making a YouTube video. Shut the fuck up, what's the matter with you? Anyway, gracefully, going through whatever, in turbulence, whatever, someone's talking in the background, whatever, the sun comes up, there's a storm, whatever it is. Something about this is priming you. He's priming you to gracefully be able to go through whatever needs to be gone through and come out on the other side in your same form. The moment you can do that, you've conquered the realm, because you are so genuinely this thing that nothing changes you. The preciousness of a diamond, comes from its unchanging nature, unbreakable, unscratchable, so on and so forth. So understand that you are just becoming the diamond variant of whatever it is that you are. And this is why you should appreciate, as much as it is painful and interbulative and confusing, you must still appreciate being hit by life, because in the most cliche of ways, a diamond is made under pressure. So understand that you're actually becoming better the more that you're being hit. And also understand that this is all opportunities for grace, opportunities to show that you can just parry Goliath when he throws a punch at you, or withstand Goliath, or just get hit and just be there comfortably, you know, with the pain, with whatever. And all of these things are badass, and all of these things are the final form of who you're supposed to be.